In this video I'm going to show you how to install your smart doorbell on siding, because you basically, how are you going to install this on here? Hi, this is Justin from Simply Smart, where we make smart home technology as easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you're interested in smart home technology, consider subscribing for more content like this. Now in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing this Video Ring Doorbell Pro onto our vinyl siding. So one of the first steps is you want to install your chime. Now this is a Pro chime here, and this will act as a Wi-Fi extender for the doorbell from your Wi-Fi to here to your doorbell if it was far away from your actual Wi-Fi. For me, mine is relatively close, so I'm actually not using this as the Wi-Fi extender, but this will also chime, so I have put this upstairs here. Alright, so the second step is to actually install the Pro Power Kit, and you just put this on like maybe the side of your doorbell. So I took this cover off already here, and you just stick that on there and then stick it to these two here. What this Pro Power Kit is going to do is be sure that your doorbell always gets the proper amount of power for maximum performance. And one tip to get this off, what I did on mine is I squeezed from the ends and it popped right off. And when you're done, just pop it back on. So everything was going fine until I got out to the outside of my house and I go to install the doorbell. So basically it's supposed to go, you connect the two wires on the back and you put it onto your house. Well, the problem is I have siding, so I can't put it directly on my house. If my doorbell was over here, it would be easy. I would just screw it onto the house. But since I am on a curved surface here, we need to get something special to make this work. So to solve this problem, I went on the internet and I found that you can buy these mounts here. And what this mount will do is it will fit directly into your smart doorbell, and then it will fit directly on your siding, and it will be flush when you're done. So this is where I got my doorbell mount from. It's nearly new models. So it's over on Etsy, and I'm going to leave the link in the video description right to Eric's store here. And you can see he has a ton of products here. So he has Nest Hello doorbell, Angle Wedge, Hike Vision, Ring doorbells, Amcrest, Arlo, U-Bell, Simply Safe, Skybell, Eufy, Ring Pro, and Nest Hello, and then also all the other rings, 2, 3, 3 Plus, and all these other ones. And you can see based on these other images here that some other customers have left, these are really high quality and everyone is really loving these. I mean, look how clean that looks. There is no other way to get this look. And you can check out all the reviews. They're almost always 5-star reviews. This is the one that we're going to be installing, the Ring Pro. So go into this here, and it's got some images here. So it's going to kind of show you some pictures of what it's going to look like. You can see that this has got the curve and the little foot to go under the siding, so it fits perfectly. You got all these different colors to choose from. It's also going to come with instructions and some screws to get it installed. And it's going to kind of show you, you can use it for both the Ring Pro and the Z Moto Pro. And then here's a couple images as well. So over here, you'd have to choose your siding type. So you just have to know whether it's 3-inch siding, 4-inch, 4.5, 4-inch board or metal, 4.5 to 5 board or metal, and 5 to 6 board or metal. And then he's going to have a mount that's going to fit that perfectly. So when you go to his store, make sure that you see a green background. There are some people trying to copy these mounts and they're poor quality. These mounts are actually made out of high quality PETG plastic that holds up to sun and weather for years. The other plastics that are being used on the cheaper ones will not hold up and will not last. These are also completely solid. So it's a hunk of plastic and it's very durable and it's going to last for a really long time. So I will leave a link in the video description. Definitely go grab one of these. If you've already ordered your doorbell, order one of these now so you have it when your doorbell arrives and you can install it on your siding. So after you go to nearly new models and you choose out your mount, what you want to do is install it on your house, which is pretty easy because the mount does all of the hard work for you. So all you need to do is run your wires through the mount, that, and then you just connect the wires to your doorbell, and then you just screw the mount to your house. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so I have it installed here, and you can see that when I go to put it in, it actually locks into place and it fits perfectly on the mount on the top, bottom, and sides. Now if you needed to use the shims that come with the doorbell, the shims would also fit in here as well and lock into place, and then your doorbell could attach to the shims. That fits in there good, and then when we put it in, we're just going to put it in, and all you need to do is push it up so the bottom of the mount is touching the bottom of your siding, and then you would just need to screw it in. So we need to actually remove the cover of the doorbell here. Both of our screws installed, and this thing is rock steady. This is not going anywhere. Look at that, I can barely even move it with my hand. And then what you do is you just take the cover plate of your choice and put it back on the doorbell. And then there's a little screw here to secure the cover plate. So as you can see, this is a super clean install. You can see how it's curved here and matches the siding perfectly, and it just looks so good. These are super high quality. It's going to make your doorbell look so good. I mean, just look at that.